mustache is to get a boy or a girl or whoever's getting it to look like a man. And this is perfect because I want to show you the way a real man's beard grows, okay? So we have the mustache, but notice this is bare skin on this side and this is bare skin over here on this side. So when you paint a beard and you go full on from the bottom lip, it's not going to look very realistic. And then it comes down from the corner of the mouth and then it curves up. You want to pick the side of the face that you're less comfortable painting on, okay? So I normally paint as much as I can over here. So by painting the wrong side first, it's more likely that I will get a symmetrical mustache. We're gonna come down and curl up. Now this is the ever classic French curly mustache. We wanna look for a nice rounded edge here. Now, one of the hardest things is when you paint on somebody who's ticklish or if everybody's laughing, because mustaches are hilarious. And so if people are laughing, then what's gonna happen is go ahead and smile for me. And you see how much his face changes, that mustache's shape? And now my hand knows how to paint this shape, but not that one. So I try and get both sides painted before somebody has the chance to react, okay? So now, this is my easy side. My hand's not blocking it. I can watch, and I can check and see, okay, we need a little bit more of a peak over there. Okay, it's pretty close, so let's bring a little more over here. Now, when you're doing a mustache, nobody's gonna care that it is exactly right, but I like to do the best I can. Right here is a chance to put in that little Zorro, or call it a flavor saver, whatever you want to call it. Pull up on this side, and we're able to pull up on that side. But no hair grows here or here. So we can just pull this down, come over, and then we want to start pulling up again to that middle peak. So we're going high, lower, 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 higher, higher, higher. And we want this to look like a W. And the big reveal. Excellent.
That is amazing.
I'm going to show you one more thing here. Go ahead and make a really mean face. See, he's got all the perfect lines already there, so you can kind of mark where they're going to be. But now that he's not angry, we're going to make him look like he's always angry. Right there. We're going to come up and we're going to come down. So we're coming up, same peak and down. Flick up so that we've got a nice bushy eyebrow. But I like to leave a little bit of space.
Yeah, don't give your kids unibrows.
So I just have a damp brush and I'm just shadowing under this. It will give the illusion that that is a much heavier brow ridge instead of just paint. You can use that shadow brush and just go under his eyes and then down and down. Get really close up on his face. Awesome. All right.